and we just mention all the symbols. You can see x plus y. So x plus y, then star, then z, then minus, then first bracket, then a, then minus, then b, then star, then c plus d. You can say c plus d, and then finally first bracket close. So finally first bracket close. And for prefix, you have to read from the right side. Okay, so that is why we have to read from right side to left. So we have to make the symbol column like first close bracket, then D, then minus, then C, then star, then B, then plus, then A, then close open brace, sorry, open parenthesis, then minus, then Z, then star Y plus X, then star Y plus and X. Understand what is the scenario? So this is the parallelly we just solve the same problem. The equation is same, but the problem is different. That is infix to postfix and infix to prefix. Okay. So first, we normally habituate to read from left to right. So that is why we just solve this infix to postfix first. So we write all the symbols into the symbol. So right now, when we read X, the stack is empty, and that is represented by this hash. Okay. And postfix, whatever when the operand, when we read any operand or non-operator symbol from the symbol table or symbol column, that will be directly write into the postfix. So when we read X, we will directly write the X into postfix. Okay, and it thereafter, so it you can see postfix, that is from left to right. So every time we will add the symbols from the symbol table or from the stack, and it will look like increasing order from left to right linear. So it is right linear. So now second symbol is operator, and operator will not directly go to the postfix column. It will first go to the stack. So when this operator will push into stack, so first we will store this value into stack. Okay, that is plus. Plus. Okay, so first element is plus, that is right now into the stack. So second is y is, so in this row the postfix will be same, because no operator or no other symbol is add into the postfix. This will be same. Now y is the third symbol, and y is the operand. So when we read operand, so operand will be directly go to the postfix. Okay, so the postfix will be x, y. So every time the new element will be insert after or the end position. Okay, every time the new element will be insert in postfix end position. Okay, or the post position. Okay, and here is the stack that will be same, because no new operator is pushed into the stack. So now the symbol star is read by the controller, and star is the operator, and it should be pushed into the stack. So when it should be pushed into the stack, so according to the rule wise, first plus and then star want to sit over the plus. So here is the condition, that is we need to check the priority, because according to the Bodmas rule wise, you know Bodmas rule. So according to the priority, we have to calculate. You know, when we calculate this, we have to first calculate within the bracket. And when we go to the within the bracket position, so we have to first perform the B into C position, because we know minus, star, multiplication, addition or subtraction, we know the multiplication's priority is highest here. So we have to perform first B into C, thereafter addition, thereafter subtraction. So that is why it depends on the priority. So according to the priority or the Bodmas rule wise, multiplication is higher than the addition priority. So priority high, so that weight will be high. So here, normally in a table, suppose a paper, we just keep one paper weight on the paper, so both will be remain same position. But if the paper will sit over the paper weight, so maybe for a particular situation, the paper will be loose from that position, is not it? Or we can say the another example, that is the higher priority is the elder brother and lower priority operator are the younger brother. Okay. So obviously, anytime if according to the strength, obviously always elder brother win the game or win the fight, is not it? So that is why when elder brother or more weighted element sit over the lower weighted element, so lower weighted element cannot move. Okay, so this will be remain same. So postfix, that should be remain same, because this is the time when we read operator, the postfix will be same. So next element z is the operand, so that time x, y, z. So z will sit into the post position and the stack will be remain same. So now minus. Minus is a symbol or the operator. So when minus come over the stack, so if we push minus symbol, so that should be come over the star, that is the higher priority. So this means paper will keep over the paper weight, or younger brother will fit over the elder brother. So elder brother easily fail that younger brother and come up from that position, is not it? So in this situation, all the operators, those are the higher than this newly inserted element or newly inserted operator, all the operators higher, that will be removed or pop out from the stack and sit into the postfix. Okay. So star and plus both is higher than the minus. So first of all, we have to pop one element from the stack. That means who is the lastly inserted, that is star. That should be x, y, z is remain same, and one element is pop out from the stack, that is star. So star will sit into the post position. So when any element pop out from the stack, that will be sit directly at post position of postfix. Clear? So first star is come out because one pop out. So then minus want to sit over the plus. So again the same situation, because plus, that is addition, that is higher priority than the subtraction. So plus is also come up or pop out from the stack and sit here at post position. Only minus will be remain into the stack. Then the parenthesis. In postfix or prefix, parenthesis should be ignored, but we cannot ignore its job. We can ignore its presence into the postfix or prefix, but we cannot ignore its job. When parentheses come into the equation, whatever the operator within that it will increase its priority. Suppose it was A minus B, so A minus B will be highest priority because there is a bracket. We know Bodmer's rule, the first letter is B indicates the bracket, so it is the highest priority. Okay, so when it comes, so its priority, uh, actually parentheses have no, it is not an operator basically. So it just like a element that can increase others priority. Okay, so now when parentheses come, so that we can mention into the stack, or you can ignore this, but you cannot ignore its presence. Okay, so we just mention here, but we will not mention into the post position or postfix. Okay, so here we just mention the open brace into the stack. Okay, now whatever the postfix, that will be remain same. Now the element A, and that is the operand, so stack will be remain same, postfix will be whatever the new element A will be sit at its post position. Now minus, that is a operator, so within bracket first operator, that is minus, will become into the stack. Okay, and post position will be remain same because this is the operator in symbol. Now B is the operand, so it will directly sit into the post position of postfix, and the stack will be remain same. And finally, right now, star is the multiplication operator. Okay, so that should be stored into the stack. So over the minus symbol, when we write the star symbol or the multiplication, so according to rule wise, star is elder brother or paperweight, and minus is the paper. So paper can be kept under the paperweight, or younger brother cannot move if the elder brother sit over the younger brother. Okay, so now this will be remain same. Now C is the operand, so it will directly come into the post position of postfix. Okay, and the stack will be remain same. And now the new element, new symbol is the operator, and that should be that want to sit into the stack. So now plus want to sit over the multiplication. So that is not possible because this is the contradiction, because um, elder brother cannot tolerate that younger brother jumped over its back. Okay, so younger brother want to sit over the elder brother, but elder brother cannot tolerate this. So elder brother, that is the higher priority operator, come come up from the stack or pop out from the stack and directly go to the post position. Okay, then plus will sit over the minus. So minus is younger than the plus, or we can say minus minus and then plus. So plus is elder brother and minus is younger brother. So that there is no contradiction. Only the contradiction occur when the younger uh, elder brother younger brother want to sit over the elder brother. Okay, but it is natural, that is elder brother will sit over the younger brother. Okay, so now finally D. symbol is D.